Long road frontage. A house that needs a lot of work, but there's something to begin with for a start. Like your own man-made lake. A lot of road frontage and some acreage. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Here's a piece of land near East Grand Lake, lots of lakes, and you got your own waterfront. The beavers don't need permits, and that's where the man-made lake came from. Great place to skate in the winter, too. This is the high ground. Is this something you might be interested in? Reach out, let's talk. I'm Andy Mooers. Thanks for watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. Look down below, like this video, subscribe to our channel, please. Long road frontage. Besides the Haynesville Woods, East Grand Lake, there's the Mattawamkeag River too. Lots of fiddleheads along this river too in the spring. It's not just East Grand for boating, the Haynesville Woods for hunting, and all the trails for ATV and snow sledding. It's the Mattawamkeag River for boating, fishing.